Welcome to the Intern Success Project Spotlight. In this special edition, we're celebrating our Silver Interns from July Batch 1, talented individuals who have successfully completed 3 to 4 key internship tasks. These interns have shown dedication, skill, and the drive to grow in their professional journeys. Today, we'll take a closer look at their LinkedIn profiles, highlight their achievements, and share the projects they worked on during their time with Intern Intelligence. Let's dive in and meet our Silver Interns.
First up in our Intern Spotlight is Aisha Khan. She is passionate about front-end development and actively shares her work and insights online. She has also earned our official certification, showcasing her commitment to continuous learning.
One of her notable projects is a modern, user-friendly portfolio website featuring dynamic animations, a harmonious color palette, and a clean, accessible layout, all crafted with a strong focus on aesthetics and user experience.
One of their standout projects is a dynamic movie promotional website featuring highlighted movies, detailed information pages, search and filtering options, and a responsive, visually appealing design. Powered by the TMDB API for real-time data.
Third project, an advanced e-commerce website offering a seamless online shopping experience, complete with featured products and promotions, intuitive product filtering and sorting, detailed product views, cart management, secure checkout, and personalized user accounts, all presented within a clean, responsive design and integrated payment gateway.
Fourth project, a secure and user-friendly online banking platform featuring a modern dashboard, comprehensive account management, quick fund transfers, bill payments, detailed transaction history, and robust authentication measures, ensuring both functionality and strong security in a sleek, professional interface. With this, Aisha Khan has successfully completed all assigned projects. We sincerely thank Aisha Khan for her dedication and effort. And now, let's move on to the next intern.
Now let's move on to another one of our interns, our data analytics intern, Mohammed Samir. Mohammed stands out with his meaningful posts and educational background on his LinkedIn profile. He has also crowned his expertise in the field of data analytics with a certificate he earned from our company. We congratulate him on this achievement. Now let's take a look at the projects Mohammed has undertaken.
Mohammed's first project was on a predictive analytics model. Using historical weather data, he developed a model to forecast future trends, providing us with valuable insights for decision-making.
His second project focused on e-commerce performance analysis. Mohammed successfully created an interactive data visualization dashboard to present key metrics and trends from e-commerce data. In this dashboard, he analyzed various important data points, from total revenue to top-selling product categories, adding significant value to our business.
Another one of Mohammed's projects was on advanced statistical analysis. In this project, he uncovered hidden patterns in relationships within our marketing campaign data, providing key insights for our strategies.
Mohammed's final project was on big data analysis. Through advanced analysis of online retail data, he uncovered hidden patterns and customer behaviors, providing us with valuable insights. We thank him for successfully completing all his projects, and now let's move on to our next intern.
Now let's move on to our talented front-end developer intern, Asadullah Magsi. Asadullah stands out with the engaging content he actively shares on his LinkedIn profile. He has earned a certificate for his outstanding performance during his internship with us. Additionally, as noted on his profile, he has many successful projects and other achievements. We congratulate him on this success. And now, let's take a closer look at his projects.
Next up is Asadullah's login page project. He developed this page using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, and integrated the Firebase API for authentication. Thanks to its responsive design, the project offers a seamless experience on any device. Since there's an issue with Asadullah's LinkedIn link, we are showing you this project directly from his GitHub repository. Asadullah's second project was a personal portfolio website. He developed this responsive site using HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, creating a modern and dynamic interface to showcase his skills and projects. The seamless integration of the FormSpree API for the contact form highlights how ready this project is for real-world application. We congratulate Asadullah on this impressive work and will now move on to his third project.
Asadullah's final project was a fully-fledged e-commerce website. For this project, he gained a complete full-stack experience by using not only HTML, CSS, and JavaScript, but also backend technologies like Node.js and MongoDB Atlas. We thank him for this impressive project, which includes advanced features like JWT-based authentication, user roles, and custom dashboards. And now, we'll move on to our next intern.
Now let's move on to our talented front-end developer intern, Haneen Nasser. Haneen stands out with the active content she shares on her LinkedIn profile, her comprehensive education, and her many skills. We would like to thank her for her valuable contributions, and now we'll take a closer look at her projects.
Haneen's first project was the modern and responsive login and sign-up page she developed. In this project, she successfully integrated Firebase authentication and included features like form validation, password reset, and animations that enhance the user's experience. We congratulate Haneen on this successful project, and now we will move on to her second one.
Haneen's second project was a responsive and modern personal portfolio website. She effectively showcased herself, her skills, and her projects, enriching the user experience with smooth animations using the AOS library. We congratulate Haneen on this impressive project, and now we will move on to her third one.
Haneen's final project was MovieZone, a movie discovery web application. Using the TMDB API, she developed this responsive app with features like browse popular movies, searching, and accessing detailed movie pages. We congratulate Haneen on all the successful work she's done during her internship, and will now move on to our last intern.
Now, let's move on to the last of our mid-level interns, our talented front-end developer intern, Alishba Khan. Alishba stands out with the content she actively shares on her LinkedIn profile, her comprehensive education, and her skills. She successfully completed her internship and earned a certificate from us. We congratulate her, and now we will take a closer look at her projects.
Alishba's first project was the login and registration pages for wildlife photography. She integrated secure Firebase authentication and created a fully responsive interface, standing out with creative touches like 3D hover effects and animations. We congratulate Alishba on this impressive project, and now we will move on to her second one.
Alishba's second project was a task-based demo portfolio. She used HTML, CSS, and JavaScript to design a responsive and interactive interface. This project served as an excellent practice ground for showcasing her skills. We congratulate Alishba on this successful demo project, and now we will move on to her third one.
Alishba's final project was Movieverse, a movie discovery application with genre-based filtering. Offering a wide range of films from Bollywood to Korean cinema, this project features advanced functionalities like dynamic cards and TMDB integration. The Google Maps feature she thoughtfully added to the contact page also highlights her forward-thinking vision. And with that, we conclude our project spotlight on all our interns. These projects have once again demonstrated just how talented, creative, and hardworking our interns are. We want to thank each and every one of them for their dedication and the successful work they've produced during their internship. This brings our Intern Success Project Spotlight video to a close.
Stay tuned to follow our interns on their career journeys and witness our next success stories. We hope to see you at our next event.